Welcome back, and today we'll be previewing design templates in Word. So the first thing is to click on File, then select New. Click File, then select the New tab. This will take you to the design templates. As you can see, you have several, and you have business cards, flyers, letters, and many more. So let me see business. In business, you have several as well, and select any that suits your needs or any that you can edit from. On the far right, you have categories. You have several categories that you can pick from. Let me scroll so that you can see more previews. So here are your previews too. There are many categories. We'll give you PowerPoint as well, but we're focusing on Word today. So here are some of the sample templates. File, then New. You can check the other suggested searches. You have flyers, letters, you even have resumes and cover letters. You have holiday. So that's it. When you want to preview, you'll select one of them, then you can scroll to the right or to the left. Let me select this one, or let me select this one. This one is a cover letter. Let's see what we have in this cover letter. That's the outline of the cover letter, and you can create from this sample. You can create a document from this sample by clicking on this create button. Right now we don't want to create, just sampling the previews. There's a brochure with headings. You even have a trifold brochure. If you are into fashion, you can use this one to create your brochure. You even have a calendar, and you have another banner calendar. You can create a calendar from Word easily with this template. Report. You have another student report. You have an APA style reference guide. You can easily get it done from here. You also have other certificates. You can create a certificate from here. You also have an invoice, big wave letterhead, party invitation flyer. Those are just samples, but there's many things you can do. You can create certificates. You can create anything that you can think of. They are both in PowerPoint as well. You even have databases up in here. As you can see from the categories, there are several things that you can do. Those are the categories, databases. So that's how you preview the design template in Word. Thank you for watching, and please remember to subscribe and leave a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.